Welcome to the JWK show. Thank you for tuning in. We do have a very big episode today, so definitely watch through the entire show. And also, quick thank you as well to our sponsor, crypto exchange BITUNIX. Get your XRP by using the link in the description below. So, in the past couple of videos, we talked about how the XRP insiders, BG123, Mr. Pool, Big Short, we're hinting at a big price increase coming, a reversal alongside with David Schwartz as well. And guys, it is now finally beginning to happen during a fresh week. It is only Monday and XRP is already exploding in price. So first off, we had major indications of a reversal coming. First off, extreme fear in the markets, the lowest we have ever seen on CMC for cryptos on CoinMarketCap. And as you guys know, we have Warren Buffett's famous catchphrase. We have also many indications of a reversal coming in as well. Bitcoin's weekly RSI only hitting this twice before, and that is during the 2019 bear market and the 2022 bear market as well. So with cryptos being massively oversold based on the indicators, eventually, guys, no brainer, a reversal was going to come in. And also based on the liquidity as well, we have 99.9% of long XRP getting wiped out. And this was all foretold by David Schwartz and The Economist. We have from The Economist 2 weeks ago, and that was a new cover. We can see reference to the mountain skis, just as shown by David Schwartz. We can see back on October 30th, we had David Schwartz calling for a $2 XRP in the ski hill, and now we have from The Economist, we had the ski hill as well. So based on this cover and David Schwartz, we were expecting the price of XRP to eventually hit $2. And we can see, guys, we do have a date, and that is November 15th to the 21st, 2025. And guys, literally during this time frame, we have XRP moving down. We can see from the 15th to the 21st, and we literally have the 21st. We can see XRP going as low as $1.81. We have The Economist literally calling the bottom for XRP. Guys, we can see XRP again going as low as $1.81 all the way back in November 21st, the end of this time frame. So guys, this is why we always listen to The Economist, XRP Insiders, Anonymous, Predictive Programming, and so on. So guys, from here on out, we should see that reversal coming in. And once we see XRP breaking above this trend line, we will see XRP moving up even higher. And as we talked about yesterday, we had a buy signal confirmed. We bought more XRP, and with the buy signal being confirmed, we were expecting the price of XRP to move up to reverse from here on out. So things are looking very exciting. We have David Schwartz $2 now being confirmed, and now we have Ripple CEO and David Schwartz hinting at a 10x coming in. We have Brad Garlinghouse 1000% and David Schwartz 10 times the bubbles. And we even have from Brad Garlinghouse, we have 22.2, reverse 2 to 20. Could we see XRP having a 10x going from $2 to $20? Guys, if this connection comes true, we are expecting a $20 XRP within the next couple of months, possibly weeks. We should see a parabolic pump just as we saw back over here and back in November as well. So if we do see this parabolic pump, it should be towards $20, and we could see this happening within a month or two. So right now, I'm buying as much XRP as I can. Very, very exciting stuff, and hopefully this comes true. And we are literally also following the 2016 price action as well. But just before that, we also have the ISO 20022 migration calling the bottom for XRP. So we talked about how there was a potential that we could see a reversal with the ISO 20022 migration. It seems like things are going as planned. And we could see back in 2016 as well, we saw a flash crash happening for XRP before going parabolic. And back in October 10/10, we saw XRP having a flash crash as well. XRP literally making the exact same price action, flash crash, XRP moving down even lower, and then having that reversal. And now it seems like we are entering this stage next. So again, I'm buying as much XRP as I can. And on top of that, we do have the largest exchange outflows ever. And every time this happens, we have the price of cryptos moving up. So this is very bullish. We can see massive withdrawals, boom, mass withdrawals. We have blow off top, withdrawals, boom, and now we are seeing another one again. So based on the liquidity as well, based on the exchange movements, we are getting ready for another big pump. We had 703 million XRP vanishing from exchanges in 72 hours, which means that we should see a big pump coming in for XRP. We have a couple of deltas today. Live a little, 1124, right? A lot of people are too focused on XRP's price. But guys, the only thing that is more valuable than XRP is time itself. And we have 1124, the current stir, harbinger of an imminent overture. And we have from David Schwartz, all in, timestamp 1127. Nilla is all in reverse. Will we see some significant price action happening on 1127? Is this a time to go all in? And lastly, we had from BG123 also telling us to buy and also hinting at a price increase. We have their weak hands do ring. It's the end the fools sing. They cry when they see the price drop. They don't see the king accumulating. So we had extreme fear happening in the markets. Many people calling this the end of the bull markets, but we had the XRP ETFs accumulating XRP, and we had whales and many smart money accumulating XRP as well. The king accumulating XRP as foretold by BG123. And then we have big news coming on strong. He knows that the 4th will bring things. So we talked about how this could be the 4th week of November, and right now we are in the 4th week of November. So we are expecting massive things to happen. We also have McDonald's Day as well, and we have from BG123 accumulate, gobble gobble, right? So we have BG123 telling us to accumulate during McDonald's Day, which was back in, I believe, November 17, 18, a couple of days ago, and now we have Brad Garlinghouse hinting towards Thanksgiving as well. And again, we have watch out for 1127 all in. So it seems like we could see something big happening during Thanksgiving, which is on a Thursday. And lastly, we have Donald Trump buying millions in U.S. bonds. The president is betting on more rate cuts because he rate cuts coming in December, and that will be even more bullish. Guys, overall, I'm buying as much XRP as I can, and based on the XRP insider connections, we should see a massive pump coming in massive news this week. That's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.